People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people.
Me pray every time I feel can't do no different. Swear me have a win. That's why I'ma try again.
Yo, wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. So people, the Jamaica Progressive Party has backed out of the election. Yes, people, they have backed out of the election. So the Jamaica Progressive Party, JPP, has announced that it will not be contesting the September 3rd general election. Gilbert Edwards, the president of Jamaica's newest political party, made up mostly of pastors, said the decision was made as their organization has been facing some difficulties as it relates to laying the foundation in order to effect its plan. So people, I don't know if y'all remember this party, but this party had some elaborate plans for Jamaica, which I don't think that is even highly possible anywhere in the world. Maybe some parts of the world, but I don't think, I'm not downgrading Jamaica or anything, but the plans that they had, people, just seem outrageous for a new party that was founded. It just seemed like something that couldn't be done in such short time that they plan on doing it. You see me, I say, like, you have to be real, you have to be realistic. There is no way this newly formed party, where them get all of their money to be considering these plans. The plans included paying off Jamaica's debt in 90 days, in its first 90 days. You know how much Jamaican debt is, people? Jamaica's debt is 2 trillion. So a newly formed party is planning to pay off a 2 trillion debt in its first 90 days. Tell me, people, be realistic now. Is that possible? A newly formed party. They also said increase minimum wage to over 65,000 an hour. So that's like I think like 11 US an hour. Free education up to university. Free health care. No water bill, but everyone pays a 1% water tax. Student loan forgiveness. Pay nurses, teachers, soldiers, firefighters 600,000 per month as starting salary. Pay doctors in line with what their counterparts make in the US. Reduce GCT to 10%. The JPP says it will also charge 4% tax for education and 4% to cover health care. By the way, people, it said the JPP says most of these initiatives will be funded by the party's own funds. So them have all this money save up to cover all of this, but yet them still backed out. People, let me tell you, it's just a bunch of foolishness them attack. I tell you. So why, if you have all this money back, save up to do all of this, why backed out? Why backed out? But they say, as you said, it's having difficulties. JPP is more than a party. We are a movement, one that is determined to empower Jamaicans, especially the oppressed and the less fortunate. It is with this in mind that we have taken the strategic decision to retool, sharpen our political acumen, and strengthen our organization, internal and external structure, and not contest the general election, the JPP's president said in a release. Edwards in the release stated that Jamaica suffered from a virus called red tapism. He said the party was blocked from opening accounts at a number of banking institutions due to existing bureaucracies, which he claims do not facilitate new political parties from opening accounts. We, like other new political parties, suffer the same marginalization, and therefore we are condemning this systemic discrimination, said Edwards. The party leader said despite the challenges, he would not give up. He would not give up, but yet he's backing out. In the release, Edwards professed to be spiritually mandated to invest in Jamaica, with an expected return on investment being the upliftment of his fellow Jamaicans. So people remember again, as this party is a bunch of pastors. I mean, I trust a lot of them. I mean, I have nothing against pastors, but some of them I not trust people, and that's just my opinion. Everybody is free to give their opinion, but that's just mine. I not trust none of them, or some of them actually. The JPP president said he would stand by the projected development and offerings detailed in the party's manifesto, claiming that they were not promises but a commitment, as he too once fell in the category of less fortunate. The JPP earlier this year announced that almost 80% of the candidates who have formed Jamaica's newest political party are pastors, and they were confident that they would win the next general election. So yes, we might talk about people. A newly formed party made up primarily of pastors are confident that they would have won the next general election, which is a lie. People, come on now. You have to be, when you're doing these things, you have to be realistic. You made all these plans, but you have to be realistic. Like, I don't know what country I could just get up one day and say, yeah, me go vote for the party who that is brand new. You have to build a foundation. You have a substance. You have to have something behind your party, which you don't really have nothing. You just a talk. Talk, you can make them big talk, but if you can't back it up, it's just pure air. You see me? So if you make them big talk, the people, you have to put in the work. Make people see you do the work. Just not just talk and say you go do. If you have the money, do it. Show people say, yeah, how we do this? How we enough to vote for? But if you don't come with this big talk and nothing behind it, brother, it not gonna work. So yeah, they're backing out of it, people. If I get more information on this, I will get back to you guys. Big up yourself. Thank you for subscribing, and I'm out.